Welcome back, people. Today with the next video, guys. Today we're at a different location located in St. Mary, which we are at the Wag River in St. Mary. I get the message, guys. I'll show you a quick view of the place in a second, but for now just do the intro. So today we're here with Dindin Official TV. We are here with Mixed Beauty Mill and their family. You get me? So with that river, and we're going to cook some food and we're going to enjoy ourselves. So what's on the menu is some brown stew pork and some rice and peas. You get me? So guys, so you guys just stay tuned and watch the pre. You will see all what go on today. So our peeps, so here you have Wag River, Wag Water River. Yeah, this is located at St. Mary, don't? Yeah. St. Mary. You get me? So see when you come, no dumping. So those are Mel and their family down there. This is our kitchen for today, people. So this is how the place looks right now. It's a really nice chill spot. This is how the place looks right now. You get me? So we have our kitchen here, which we're gonna get the meat and everything out the bag. We're gonna go down by the river, we're get it clean up and come back, start it out and get the fire started. So you guys don't know the normal procedure. So keep watching.
So yeah.
Peeps, here we have the pork. We are going by the river right now. I'll get this cleaned up and come back. Alright guys, so we are match up with meat and now, I'm going to throw the bag in the water, because you know what people think. Good part of the pork. Your meat.
Oh.
Get off the fat. Alright peeps, so we're done cut up the pork now and kind of rinse it off. We get it to season up now. So I get off the excess water. Actually. That is. Alright peeps, I don't know. Time to get the meat seasoned up, so I'm gonna put it in the container. Too long me I use it. Yeah, you know what's the worst thing for when people cook time? Them cut it up, not even cut up. Like you see me put this on now, everything boil off a stick and you take out the stick. But when you cut you up, when you eat, they stick them in the food. And bugging.
No problem with that.
Yeah, and bugging. Okay, so time to put in seasoning onto the pork. That is good. Rub massage it now. Season it, some all purpose. Not more than that. So everything there, so cut up the garlic them now. Alright guys, so see that we get all our seasoning them ready up now. So I got massage the pork with the seasoning, Then we're gonna leave this to marinate for a couple minutes and get the fire up. Alright peeps, so see the browning on. So now we'll cover it up now. And we'll get the fire start. I think which one I'm gonna use now. Oh. Fire I'm gonna make right here, so we'll get the stick them broke up now and make up a fire. That's
Yeah,
all.
cool, no?
Fire blazing. Fire blazing on up people, so you don't know what time to put on the pot. If you catch up with more though. Put on the pot because I know right, and a gas stove we are using. We don't have whole heap of firewood this part with it. We're out of the zone, you know. So I go on there, pot them on fire now. Pork over here so. See that pretty? Yeah. Alright peeps, so quick update on the pot. So we're going. So you don't know time to add water in it now. Which we already have over here. Yes. Give it a nice stir around. Make that go and simmer. And the fire red. I make this one burn down little so we can. Oh. So that's the rice fire people. Work over here so. See you man. Yep. So then we will cut up the Irish and the carrots in the pork pot soon. And this one burn down so we can put on this pot. Yeah, put on the rice. Spot. So the fire blaze bad one. What are you doing off my finger about that? Yeah.
From high, well high, so they don't know. Yeah, don't forget the fire.
Gauge you down with some water. Whole tea.
Gauge the fire, man. People, again, pull my belly today, you see?
Definitely.
Phone in everybody face. Not Kiki face.
Kiki.
Yeah. The people are getting with carrot and Irish. Now the pork pot, you know, I wash them off first. And the next pot. Next pot of fire blaze.
Don't burn me now.
Smoke.
The heat you can dry your clothes fast enough.
But you know good to make. I say you know good to make fire heat dry your clothes.
Why?
Right meat.
You know doing?
Okay, I'll follow
Right.
it.
Cook already. I don't know they're out, so we don't have much time to cook it from scratch. So this and some coconut milk powder. See there? Yeah. Right. What we pot now? I'm throwing the peas. Okay. So inside out, look. Yeah. No. Hey. Okay.
Oh, yeah, go on, man. So extra soft.
Yes, sir. Cover up this flip down for a while. The garlic in the pot. No pepper. Put it there, so.
Wow, careful.
Pass it out. Let's see. So please, we wash the rice now. Showing I pot same time. I don't know if fire going. Alright guys, so I'm showing you what I'm going now. This is the rice pot. See it? Got a bubble. And then we have our pork over here. Some brown stew pork peeps. Yeah. Then I melt there, you play football. Can you see your ball? Hey! Think it go lick on that. May I fall? So I'll go on here. Alright peeps, so this is the pork at about 10 more minutes and it finish. And the rice here, so see that? Yeah, we have a rice that's soon finish. So keep watching. I watch all kind of people pot them land. So time to get off the rice pot and the pork pot over this, because time to share out some food as my peeps, as we get hungry now. So I get off the pot them. Now and share some food so we can go sit down and have a meal. So you guys just stay tuned and you'll see the crease, so keep watching. Yes sir. Mom first.
I smell the coconut juice.
Is it? Here we go. This is too much. It's too much.
The rice, yeah. Like something like that would be good, of course.
Okay, pass it.
So Baba would eat like that amount as well.
Awesome.
Like this?
Way too much for him.
You will eat like this?
Huh?
Baba will eat this?
No, sir.
Oh, can you see me tell you?
I said no. All you need is like a 1 spoon also with rice.
Me tell you. Not too much.
And me like gravy. If you like gravy. Oh, gravy. Food is sharing. Yay. Coming up. Oh, looking good. Thank you.
Yeah, we can get that.
I'm like a torture. It's a torture.
Yeah, this is Enjay's one.
So which one is mine?
This is for Dindy, then one of those two.
That is it. No bone in there.
Want it?
Yeah, man. What you mean? What you mean? God.
Yeah, where am I? Where am I?
You still alive?
Come say hi, Kali. Come. Here. Here, Baba.
You want to say hi?
Baba. Come. Look. Here. Come. Here, go. Here.
That is it.
I'm going to pick
Say
that.
hi. Look, 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 look. Say hi. Hi. No wonder I couldn't hear any hi
People.
people. Could y'all catch his
Even
hi?
though this is not original coconut juice, tastes good.
Yeah, look. You can do this one.
Yeah, man. Someone will go for more.
Is that most, man? Go for more. And more juice. Alright guys, so this is the river that we're at. Yeah. So showing you guys how I go on down on the riverside, yeah. That is it, people. Yeah man, some people down there, so it's a nice little wash off spot. It's not much for swimming, but you can get a good wash off, a bath or whatever you might like. Yeah. Alright peeps, so the day has come to an end. We're leaving. Let me in the middle up there in front. So peeps, hope you all enjoyed that video. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Yeah, belly full and we're leaving. So hey guys, let's do the right thing. So until my next upload, catch you guys.